Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to make blogger contact form. So here this is a theme, and you can edit HTML and go to this edit HTML, and from here you can see this is head tag. As a very important this code. I will provide this code in the description box. So here you can see this is, and just I'm going to select this and search with control F. Okay, now see, this is you need to see the scheme. Okay, now before this scheme you need to paste this code. Okay, I'm just copy this code. Okay, copy this code. After copy this code, just save this. Okay, and this is very important. If you do not paste this code, it's not going to be work. Okay, now go to layout. From layout you need to add some gadget. So go to this scroll down, and you can definitely see here a blocks list. Here you can see this followed by email, and here are lots of things. Contact form, this is the contact form, and here we are going to use this and hit here and save it. This positions you can make different positions, add to gadget, so it's up to you. Now go to this page. Here there's a lots of posts here. Now this is a page, you need to make a page. So go to the HTML. After this hit a couple of times, and now paste a code. I will definitely provide you this code. There's a very important code. Here you can see this div. Okay, and this change contact form background color. Here you can change the background color what you need, what is suitable for your blog, okay, or your website. Submit button, mouse hover, but it's necessary here. When mouse cursor is hover at this point, it will definitely works, and there's an error message. Okay, if something putting wrong data, it will definitely give you the error message. Okay, now twist blogger. Okay, form wrapping, and now I'm going to copy this code. I will definitely give this code to you. Okay, now update, and if you do not see this code, and here is a definitely as a very important things, do not allow hide existing. If someone comment in this page, it will definitely not working there, because it have contact page, it's a contact page. So so the visitor, I'm do not allow to comment on this page. So see, there's a view here, it's a contact page. You can see there's a contact page, and you can make it changes a couple of times. Here I'm just putting for testing purpose my email address, and see it's work or not. Just go to this Gmail. Okay, and it does not, and after going to Gmail you can see it's working. Okay, so this is a for test mail. I'm just want to show you how to make contact pages in your blog. Okay, and this is definitely free for you, and do not worry, just follow the step. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you very much.